Work confidently and promote minimum downtime to get more out of your machine with the easy-to-maintain Komatsu PC900LC-11 excavator. This machine comes equipped with a range of features designed to streamline your maintenance routines so your operation can run smoothly and productively. Located at the heart of the machine is a central access walkway that is designed to provide easy access to all the essential maintenance points and walkthroughs. Move over to the left-hand access doors that open wide to enable easy evaluation to evaluate the auxiliary equipment. A standard walkway promotes secure inspections of the service area, while safety tie-offs and a fall prevention handrail help stabilize footing during repairs. The lock lever auto lock function is designed to enable your maintenance crew to work efficiently and precisely in potentially hazardous areas by making the travel, swing, boom, arm, and bucket functions inoperable when in the locked position. On the inside of the machine is a sealed engine cooling system that helps prevent contaminants from entering the components to promote reduced cleaning and unclogging tasks. An onboard electric grease gun to simplify the lubricating process. Rear swing reduction gearbox oil engineered for a long life. And a low-maintenance, high-performance battery that helps reduce the inconvenience of adding battery fluid. Tie it all together with an in-cab monitor that reminds you and your operators when maintenance is due to help keep your machine in optimal working condition. This information is also available to be viewed remotely through the Smart Construction Field application. The health of your machine is important to your operation success. So choose an excavator that streamlines your inspection routines so your crew can easily conduct the necessary checks and perform the maintenance your machine needs to stay available and productive. Contact your local Komatsu dealer to learn how the PC900LC-11 excavator can keep your operation running smoothly and efficiently.